All right. Very good Modike morning and welcome each one of you to the SPBM workshop today. And our team has gathered for the first time, I think, all together with new people, new joinees of the month of March, April, and May. Yeah. So there are so many people I'm meeting and seeing them for the first time. It's really a pleasure to see new names on a team. Otherwise, 2 to 3 people are active usually on the screen in the chat box. So I do welcome Lata ma'am, Sonu ma'am, Pratima ma'am, Chandra ma'am, Kirtana ma'am, Mithun sir, Sabiha ma'am, Murli sir, and Prashant sir, and my dear Pooja ma'am. All right. So the whole motive behind conducting today's meeting was usually I find that because we are associated with the North Indian team and we interact mostly in Hindi, so many people are unable to understand. I get that point. And hence we decided that let's have a session for new beginners, the starters with us in English. So maybe if that can create a little difference where you can relate to the company as well, because many leaders across the entire country, India, they talk in their own regional language. So I would even request people who can speak Telugu, okay, people who can speak Telugu to come forward and start learning the sessions, delivering the sessions to your downlines so that we can build it together. We want people to communicate in many languages ताकि हम सब easily समझ सके. Yeah, I hope you all get that. Okay, so for the people who have associated with us in this previous 3 months, okay, I'm sure you must be getting full feedback, guidelines, and support, everything from your upline. Upline is no one but just the one with whom you have joined this company, right? Because of whom you have entered this company. And we totally believe that there is no boss, there is no as such upline to whom you are supposed to report, because Modi Care strictly says that there is no bossism, there is no boss in this business. So you are the owner of your company, of your own business, and whatever deeds you do. So whether you are a successful person, you are responsible for yourself. If you lead to wrong, if you lead by wrong examples, you are responsible for that too. So on a lighter note and on a positive low note, let's begin this session. I'll be sharing my screen where I'm going to take you all through Parivartan. So Parivartan is the first step. Yes, Parivartan is the first step towards Modi Care business plan and understanding what exactly we do here. So you all know that we are doing something or the other to lead a good life. Yes, some of us are how homemakers. Ladies ki baat kare. I'm talking about just female squad. Some of us are homemakers, some of us are professionals, some of us are freelancers, men are working. Yeah. So we all together are doing something to support our family. So even a homemaker is the one who supports the family, because a homemaker isn't there, then how can the men go out and work? Or how can the other partner can go out and work, right? So vice versa. So, but then there are some dreams that we have. There is something that in our life which we are not satisfied economically, or we are not earning to our potential, or we are not able to make our dreams come true with the current job we are into or the current profession we are into. If I give a very quick and a small introduction about myself, I'm as you know, I'm Jyoti Verma or Jyoti Sukumar. I'm from Hyderabad, born and brought up here, very poor in Telugu language. But since my childhood, I have a lot of confidence in me that I'm born to do something where people would want to look at me like and as an idol or someone who's always on the stage or in the front row. So I always wanted to be a leader, even in school or college or office or anyone. So I have that in me by my sun sign also. So Aries are always always first to take up any task that ways. So then I used to work in an MNC. I was in HSBC. But then after marriage, I was conceiving my first baby. I was having some medical issues, so I had to resign. And once my first son was born, Dhruv, I never wanted to go back to corporate sector at all, because I knew that I have to give my 9 hours of working, then 3 hours of traveling. And sometimes I was into like the last department that I resigned as an assistant manager, I was into rotational shifts. So I didn't want to compromise at all on this life, on this newborn baby of mine. Okay. So I thought, okay, let's sit at home, let's do something. So my mind never had this thought that now I'm gonna sit back, relax in front of TV and do nothing. Yeah. So soon after Dhruv was born, after 9 months, I pursued my passion as my profession. So I became a dance instructor. Dancing passion was there since my childhood. My father was the one who used to encourage me the most. Okay. So I took that as a profession. I started with one of the national schools of India, and I was a choreographer for them, all-time choreographer for that school. Then 3 years I was continuously working. Between that, me and my husband Sukumar, we also started a business. Okay, so I was an employee. If you're observing what I'm saying, you're listening to me actively, I was a part of employment. I was an employee. Second, I also started a small scale business wherein I was doing business of kurtis, ladies kurtis and saris and all. So me and Sukumar, he used to take leaves from his office and me used to take leave from my school, and we used to go out different cities. We used to buy kurtis from there, like Mumbai ho gaya, Gujarat, Kolkata. So many places we visited. We bought kurtis. There was investment. If I calculate like 3-4 years of business, what we've done, we invested like around 21 lakhs, 21 lakhs investment. We bought goods, we did exhibitions, we sold them, we traveled to different cities again, carrying so much of luggage. So that was another part of hard work. But again, the competition started increasing, and then I conceived my second baby, so everything stopped over there. And then for 1 year, I was also a counselor for the school children. Okay, the same school, I got an opportunity to be a counselor. And then after that, lockdown. Yeah, once I got my job into cult because I wanted to be into fitness field. I did Zumba after my second son. Soon my second son Shashwat was 3 months old. I took my certification of Zumba fitness, and then I became a Zumba instructor. I joined cult, and when I joined cult fitness, it was lockdown. So I left the school. There was no job in school. Cult, you know the story of cult, right? Even the existing employees were ripped off. So what to do? Then I started online dance classes because you have the talent, so you never stop. You always keep going. You want to do something or the other. So that's how I never said that my account should not be zero. I should not be sitting idle at one place. To do time pass, life has given us so many options, guys. Never do time pass in your life thinking that you don't have anything to do, so I can sit back and relax. You are born as a human being. There are so many important things that we can do by taking birth in this race. So then once in the month of March, I started my online classes. November, I started facing a little downfall in my students. So I realized that how long will I be a Zumba instructor or a dance instructor? Of course, that is a passion, and I'm going to do it till wherever I can, till even the last breath of my life. But can I fulfill my dreams? Like I want to build a huge house. It should be like a resort or a farmhouse. That the huge house, because we're a joint family. So this is something not sufficient here. I need my own car on my name. Yeah, I need good bank balance. I need fame. I want to be recognized. So that thing was still there. Then I was searching for some good businesses which can be work from home. Then I found Modicare, and since 5 months, I'm glued to Modicare and living each moment with Modicare every day. And between this process of 5 months, it is a privilege that with a team of you all, with great support of you all, I also achieved my director title in the fourth month. And my last pay of April month was 7,288 rupees. So my first month check, if you ask me, in December with a team of 4 members, it was 657 rupees, 657. And April month, my check was 7,288 rupees. And I know that if I am going to be in this business, I am going to make 4 to 5 zeros after this 7,288 easily. So think about it, guys. Whatever profession or job you are into, whether you work for another 10 years or 5 years in your current profession, do you think you can add on whatever you wish to do? Is it possible to do in your current scenario, in your current job, in your current profession? Okay. So to take Modicare into life, you need to have big dreams, because this is a field where people will tell you negative. People will say this does not work. People will say that this is a job of making fools out of fools, and again adding more fools, and this is a chain system, and this system and that system. Please, guys, don't take advice from non-professionals and non-experts. I'm sure that if you are not feeling well, you go to a doctor. You don't go to a plumber, right? Don't go to a plumber when you're not feeling well. You go to a doctor. Same way, if you want to grow, if you want to know what network marketing is, how it works, then go to the people who are successfully doing it. Don't go to any random person and ask like what this is. Shall I do it or I don't do it? I have joined my ID, but shall I buy from here or not? What happens or not? So don't go to non-experts, and don't rethink about your decision in joining Modicare. You have big dreams, those can be achieved. with this platform. But what happens in this platform? You know that the cost of living is increasing day by day. Now we have two children minimum. Okay, if you want to give your child minimum education in, you know, a school which is medium level, but then at least 60,000 per month, 50,000 per month, sorry, yearly. Yeah. So if I have two children, I should think at least like 1 lakh or 1,20,000 in a year right now when they are just in UKG, LKG, nursery, first, second. Yeah. So am I ready to take up that much burden along with their insurance policies, health policies, regular foods, and this and that and whatnot? So many expenses we have. So are we ready for that? Okay, right now we are just earning month starting whenever you get your salary, your account is full. But by the end of the month, account starts coming to zero. I don't want to live that life. I don't want that life that every month I just wait for one date that my salary or my check is gonna come. I'm sure even you people don't want to. After taking out all the expenses, also we should have that amount, and we want to go out for foreign trips and we want to do whatever we wish for. Okay. So guys, dependency plan is like till the time you can work, you will work. After that, what will happen? After your retirement, is there a job in your mind, or if you have any profession in your mind that will fetch you income? Do you have anything in your mind? Modi Care said. Modi Care says that put your good efforts, okay, 5 years of good efforts, and then after that, if you really do well, you're going to sit back and relax, and you are going to keep earning money even if you're not working. Okay. Now, but what do we have to do for all this? What do we actually have to do in Modi Care? You have to understand, guys. Since the time we are born, we keep using some products. Okay. Or if we are parents, as a child is born, we start using products like baby care, toothpaste, toothbrush. For cooking, we need something. For styling, we need something. We are living in a society. We need to dress up ourselves, and so many essential items that we need day to day. And where do we buy all those groceries or anything from? Nowadays, I'm sure everyone is buying on Goki or Amazon or Flipkart or eBay, etc., etc., etc. And stores like DMart, Reliance, and whatever is there in your city, or a general Kirana store nearby our house. Okay. So why do we buy from there? First reason can be that it is near a house. Second point is that they may be giving you on some discount price. Yeah. And what is the third reason? Is there any other reason apart from these two reasons, that one shop is nearby walkable distance? Or second thing is that you may get a little bit of discount, and that too discount is on those prices which are very close to the expiry date. I'm not sure how many of you actually see that when you buy products. Like example, we are die-hard customers of DMart. I live in old city area. Okay. I live in old city area. I go all the way to Himayat Nagar to buy my groceries from DMart. Okay. But then we realized one day that some food or some stock which we haven't used for last 1 month, and we open the next time and we see that these are, you know, going to expire very soon, but we have not consumed. So that's how we feel like, oh, now this is expired. We cannot even go and return it back to the company. So any monetary benefit are you getting buying from these places? I assume no. Yeah. Because we keep expending on so and so things and buying so many things. See, this is my monthly list. Okay. I prepare my monthly list. And then me and my husband, we both go for shopping. And believe me, more than the list, we keep shopping, freaking something or the other, biscuits and this and that. We pick up so many other things, and we end up spending like 7 to 10,000 monthly. But what do we get? 7 to 10,000 monthly only from DMart, and then again from a nearby house we buy all the basic groceries like dal, chawal, sugar, and all. So that is like 15,000 monthly. It happens. Okay. Now, but we don't get any monetary benefits from there so far. But this wonderful business platform Modi Care tells you that if you buy minimum 2,500 worth products from Modi Care instead of buying from anywhere else, you can actually start saving a lot of income for yourself. Start saving a lot of income for yourself. You get free products from the company. You get option to buy 1 month or 3 months free from here. But I'm sure no other store will give you like that. Hai. So whatever goods we buy from these shops, they directly come from the distributor or the wholesaler and then the manufacturer. But if you join Modicare, you become the distributor yourself. So the cost cutting or the cost extra cost which is put on the general goods by having advertisement or something, that is cut short. Basically what I'm trying to say here is, for example, you use Lux or you use Dove soap, example, okay? So do you buy it because you read all the ingredients, or do you buy it because you see those television ads being very flashy and very nice? I'm sure 90% of the people buy because that model is doing, Karina is doing it, Katrina is doing it, that's why I should buy. Yeah, Harpik, Akshay Kumar is doing it, in one scene it'll be all bright, all camera effects, we go and we buy Harpik. Lysol 99.99% we go and buy. I'm not saying against those products. No, 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 not at all. I'm just trying to say that with that advertisement, if you can just go and buy a product, why can't you buy a product from Modicare, which is of 100% international quality, and we have exceptional demos with the comparison of market A1 products and which are proved to be better than those. And along with that, you can also earn income, you can become a businessman, or you can be a wonderful user to save money. Yeah, where the money is also staying in India. These products are all chemical free. Modicare products are chemical free, they are 100% vegetarian. The non-vegetarian products, whichever is there in well supplements especially, they are having that red mark, and they are A1 quality. And also they have 100% guarantee, satisfaction guarantee, that in case you don't like those products, you can return and get full refund. Tell me guys, is there any other brand, any other shop which gives you this guarantee that if you don't like it, you can return and get full money back? No, I have not seen any product. Whether I like it or not, it goes into my dustbin. Simple. I don't even go and write a letter back because I know nothing happens. But here in Modicare, a person, okay, Samir Modi, the owner of this company, when he tells you that I can give you the surety, that means he himself first believe on his quality. Yes, and then he's passing on this confidence to you all. So we know that we can earn a lot of income from Modicare, right? If we buy these products. So what are the benefits of direct selling? Let us see the screen on your mobile. You can see first is zero investment. What is investment? Investment is something that you put in, you leave, and you expect from that. But in Modicare, there is no investment, because the simple logic, simple thing that we are doing is, instead of buying products from any other XYZ shop, we buy from Modicare. Yes, I agree that, every product which we use in our house may not be in Modicare, but what is there, I am sure we definitely use those. How many of you agree with me? Raise hands. Yes. You may ask me a question that Jyoti, sugar is not there, wheat is not there, rice is not there. But madam, the products which are there in this company, I'm sure you must be using in your house. We don't only eat dal, chawal, rice and sugar in a month. We also use so many other things, right? So instead of buying from anywhere outside, if you buy from Modicare, you are not investing anything. But if you're buying the same hand wash or any other XYZ hand wash from outside, but you're not buying from Modicare, that means we are cheating ourselves. There you will feel a little burden that every month you have to do your loyalty, and that gets a burden on you. So prepare your monthly list. Whatever you want to buy from here, not from outside. Okay. So that way, this is a zero investment business where you're not going to expect anything from that amount you invested. No risk. Obviously, there's no risk because the company says we give you 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like it, return it, take your money back. Unlimited income. Okay. If you feel that you have joined Modicare because you can earn 5,000 monthly, 10,000 monthly, 50,000 monthly, then I'm sorry, guys, this is not the platform for you. Modicare can give you lakhs of income, more than what you are expecting, more than what you have thought of. Don't stick to one place. Don't stick to one thing. This can give you unlimited income. But yes, efforts have to be made accordingly. Yes, we do a corporate job for 9 hours, 10 hours, right? We extend also. What do we get? We get a fixed pay. Some month you may be doing extra efforts, but you will get the same amount of money, right? Some month you may be just sitting empty, but then still you get the same amount of salary. And end of the month, sometimes you may realize that your boss tells you, sorry, we're not paying anything extra. There is no hike, there is no bonus. And how do you feel that you have, racked yourself for the whole year and you're not getting anything? It feels so bad. So in Modicare, your income is equally proportional to your efforts. Family business. Now, this is a business which everyone in the family can do. Me, my husband, my children, any one of us can promote and we can earn it as a family income. Transferable business. Today, tomorrow, I really don't want to mention, do the uncontinuity of this business, but then I will tell you that one of the very great leaders from Jaipur, Rajasthan, who was a tailor, okay, by profession, Virendra Lahori, who was a tailor who joined Modi Care like 4 years back. He was by profession a tailor. I hope you understand what a tailor is, right? And he became the GBD. He started earning 4 lakhs rupees monthly, and just today morning he passed away. So he used to tell in his testimonials, that I am 8th pass student. I have just studied till 8th class, and I have big dreams. So he made what should I say? Like, he made a big difference to his family before passing away. He has a big house of 20 lakhs. He has 2 cars from Modi Care, and he has 4 lakhs income monthly, which he has left for his family. Just imagine if he never thought of changing his profession, then he would just be the same tailor which he was earlier, right? But he thought to take this decision in his life to change his life, and now that income will be transferring to his family. The same business which he was doing earlier, that salary will be transferred to his family without efforts. Now, moving next. No previous experience required. So no one in this company asks you that, do you have any previous experience of a job, or do you have any previous experience of working somewhere? Are you a fresher? No one is going to ask you. You're free to enter this company. There's no certification required, but you have to be open to learning. Once you learn, only then you can earn in this company. Passive income, yes, a few years of effort and then you get a lot of returns. And it is a part-time business. You can do it along with what you are doing currently. Yes, I'm a Zumba fitness instructor. I'm a dance coach. I'm doing that also freelancing like a part-time business. And I'm also building business Modi Care, part-time or full-time or freelance, whatever you can say. So I am doing it alongside. And there are so many people who ask me this question, that Jyoti, we are employee of some XYZ company, but if we do this, this is going to be a dual employment. So let me tell you guys, I have clarified this from the Skill India people who have given me the direct sellers certification. Yeah, I have completed my certification of direct selling. So they clarified this doubt today, that anyone who is employed with any other company and alongside they are doing this direct selling, this is not going to be a discussion with, it's not going to be like a dual employment, because you're not an employee of Modi Care. You are a partner of Modi Care, and this is just a direct selling business. So that is not anyways going to do any problem as far as you are paying your taxes properly. So in double quotations, what I got to know is, if you are paying your taxes properly, then there is no issue whether you do 10 businesses also. Okay. Now, glad to inform you that Modi Care is the first direct selling company in India. Even before you must have heard the other names of Amway or Avon, for My Lifestyle or Oriflame, etc. Yeah. So these are all non-Indian companies. Simple statement. These are all non-Indian companies. And the currency exchange rate. Yeah. So for them, it was very easy to come in India and promote their products. But Modi Care is an Indian company, Indian brand, made in India, made by Indians, made for Indians. Money stays in India. So here, Modi Care is formed by, it's a history, okay? So it's by the entire Modi family, which have their own village name also, that is Modi Nagar. So if people in India, there are, I can say district bolo, ya fir you can say a village name on two business entrepreneurs' name. One is Tata Nagar and one is Modi Nagar. So you know what Tata is, right? Tata, the person, the main icon, the hero, Tata Motors, etc. Tata CTS, right? CTS. So he is one of the great leaders of India who got a big transformation in economy of India. And again, Modi. So Modi Nagar is also one of the place wherein they are having like 27 different businesses apart from only Modi Care. So Modi Care is established, and a dream or a vision of Samir Modi ji, who thought that he wants to bring financial azadi for people living in India, who really cannot go beyond their financial blockage in mind, that if they want to buy anything, they have to first see that how much I have. So he really don't want that. He wants that people in India should be able to earn that money which other countries are doing. And also one fact that I would like to share everyone, that direct selling is not only in India, guys. Direct selling is in 160 countries. 160 countries are doing direct selling. And in India, it has not even started properly. Okay, small places like even Malaysia, which has very less population, that is in the top 15 list of highest turnover. And India, huge population, the top second in rank population of this whole world. Yeah, and now nowhere close to that 15 list of countries also. So just imagine the power. If people start taking direct selling business as one of their part-time incomes or full-time incomes, then our country, our economy can drastically change. This is a lot of power. I'm telling you guys, 21st century business, even in times of India, you have seen this news everywhere. People are talking that direct selling is going to be the next big thing. Since our childhood, we have only heard that read, study, get yourself certified, be a professional director. You can be a doctor, you can be a CA, lawyer, etc. These are all professionals. Otherwise, you will land up into a BPO. Otherwise, you will land up into a worker. So we have all heard about, being into a job system. We have heard into being into businesses, but very rarely our parents teach us, or they also don't know about direct selling. So direct selling is going to be the next big thing of India very, very soon. Many people are into it. We also should run in the same race. Now, what are the products that are there in Modi Care? We have nutritional health supplements, we have cosmetics, skincare ranges there, we have food and beverages, agricultural products are there. In South India, agricultural products are the hit. People are actually going to the farmers, the consultants of Modi Care, like you and me. They're reaching out to many farmers, the lands, and then they're promoting these products like anything, and they're achieving their titles and achieving unlimited income monthly. There is home care. I'll be glad to tell you that in UP, Indian Railways are using Stericlean Spick and Span does all HD floor cleaner for their railways, floor cleanings and entire railway things cleaning, even the rail cleaning. Did you know that? Yes, it also came into YouTube and newspaper ad that Modi Care home care products are being used in Indian Railways in UP. So we are expanding, baby. We are expanding. We are laundry care, we have personal care, auto care, jewelry is there, Mighty Guard is there to protect your mobile phone, and we have SM watches. And there are so many products that are going to come in the next 4 months. Next 4 months, many more products are being added. People ask us, when we talk to other people about Modi Care, this and that. So they say, why are the products less? I don't understand what are people expecting. Like one brand makes only one genre of products, but Modi Care is expanding its wings like anything. And our only motive is to give quality products. If we want, we can launch in every product, like even a nail filer, or we can launch XYZ, any item also. We can launch stationery items also. But we want to launch products which are essential items and which are of quality, that the people who use one time uses every time. Okay. And compared to any other direct selling business, Modi Care is the only company which gives you 62% of payout. Okay. What is this 62% payout? Yeah, you can see on screen, there are different levels of income. Here is the main topic which I want to tell everyone. So I've given a small brief about what Modi Care, why Modi Care, what are the products in Modi Care. Now let us understand what is actually the income. How do you actually get money? Okay. So there are 10 areas of income, friends. First is 20% of saving, up to 20% of saving on your consumption. That is, when you become a consultant of Modi Care, you become a user. Okay. There are two perspectives to see Modi Care business. One is to just become a consumer, like you buy goods from anywhere from outside, you just buy from here, and there's a lot of earning that you can do, save. Second is to become a business person. Okay, so there are two perspectives. So first is up to 20% savings on consumption. You become the distributor and you get discount on buying these products. So MRP, you will not get the products on MRP, you will get it on DP. That DP means distributor price. Now up to 20% of retail profit. What is retail profit? So in case tomorrow my friend Kirtana tells me that Jyoti, I love your hair, yeah, what are you using? So I say that I'm using the Salon Professional Oil shampoo and conditioner, darling. Do you want to use it? Kirtana says, yes, I want it. So I say that, okay, I bought it on discount. Let me give Kirtana on MRP. So I give Kirtana this product on MRP. Then what will happen? I already bought this person on up to 20% discount, and then I sold the products on MRP. So here I am saving 20% already, and here I am giving to Kirtana in the MRP. So I am getting that income. I'm getting extra difference of income, right? So that's how I'm selling. I am giving. I am selling that the thing also. So that is completely option. If you're a user, you just use it for yourself. But if you want to sell also, you will get that retail margin. If you want, you can make ghar ki dukaan. That's what we say, that people who don't want to open that distributor point, they can open a ghar ki dukaan. So that just is a very small investment of 20-30,000. You can keep in your, if for example, there are gated communities or there are apartments. So people are not going out right nowadays. So few of our consultants, what have they done is in their own building, they have bought and kept goods. So if anyone wants, they can come and buy from their Modicare products. So that's how they're earning retail profit also in a good way. Now 7 to 16% of APB, accumulative performance bonus. So this 7 to 16% APB is very, very, very interesting. Yeah. As soon as you join Modicare, you become a 7% commission holder. Okay. So whatever business you're going to do, like you're going to purchase XYZ products for some pricing, and you're going to get 7% commission on that. How and what is that calculation? I will show you that in some time. Okay, so up to 16%. If you are a solo person, you don't want to join anyone, okay, you are using all the products by yourself. So you have an option to every month keep buying the products, your points will increase and your title will increase. So your percentage of commission also increases. Maybe first 3 months you get 7% of commission, then next 4 months you get 10% of commission. So if you're doing purchasing all alone, then within 10 months or 12 months, you can also become the director just solely by yourself by purchasing your own products. So your income will increase by the percentage level. Now, 4% of director bonus pool. Now, what is this director bonus pool? Okay, the company's turnover, entire Modicare's turnover, 4% of that will be paid to every director who is a qualified director. So again, there are some scenarios and criteria how to achieve that. And trust me, guys, trust me, this fourth point, that is 4% director bonus pool, here is when the actual earning starts. Okay, point number 1, 2, 3 will give you boost. It will give you boost to keep buying products from Modicare, that yes, you can do it, yes, you can do it. While you're doing it, you're enjoying the good products. You can see the change in your lifestyle. You can see that you're getting some cashback which you are not getting from the other stores. Okay, but when you actually receive a director bonus pool, when you achieve that 16% title, more than your cashback, your director bonus pool will be double. Okay, so that's how you get more income. So when I was saying like 7,288 rupees was my April month's cashback, which I got credited. So from that, 4,000 change was my director bonus pool, and 3,000 change was my actual accumulative performance bonus which I get from my purchasing and my team's purchasing. So isn't that a wow thing? Like directly 4,000 I got because I achieved a director level. Yeah, same way, when you keep increasing your levels, your different incomes will also keep adding, like 14% of team builder bonus pool, leadership productivity bonus pool, dream travel, vehicle bonus pool, home bonus pool, and Atwood Bandhan. So guys, this session is going to end now. I would request everyone to rejoin this session and maintain the continuity. And I'm going to show you the calculation of how you get your check every month. Okay, so let's rejoin this session. Don't forget to rejoin. Let's maintain the continuity. Okay. All right. So this session is getting disconnected now anyways. Let's rejoin. All 13 participants, please come.